thing is, it's easy to get caught up in all this drama and forget that White House chaos can have real-world consequences. But Thursday brought a reminder of that when, unexpectedly, Trump announced new tariffs on steel and aluminum. And whether you agree with that move or not, you have to be bothered by how it happened.
Spoiling for a fight, any fight, the president decided to pick one on trade, announcing new tariffs against the advice of many of his top advisors and without any internal review, tweeting, "Trade wars are good and easy to win."
Yes, trade wars are good and easy to win, which is weird because if that was true, everyone would always win them, in which case they'd actually be hard to win because everyone else would already have won them. It's a complex situation that philosophers refer to as the dipshit's conundrum. Now, some were immediately significantly alarmed that this could actually raise the cost for Americans on anything containing aluminum or steel. That is why Trump sent out his dynamic Secretary of Commerce, Wilbur Ross, to allay those fears in the dumbest way possible.
What I would like to do, though, is to emphasize again the limited impact. This is a can of Campbell's soup. In the can of Campbell's soup, there's about 2.6 cents, 2.6 pennies worth of steel. So if that goes up by 25%, that's about 0.6 of 1 cent on the price of a can of Campbell's soup.
Great point, Wilbur. And as long as there isn't anything in the economy that isn't soup, we should be just fine. But don't worry, because our researchers actually looked into it, and it turns out everything is soup. So we're in the clear. Oh, and one more quick thing here. How is he not Magoo? Because that is the Magooiest shit I've ever seen right there. And look, in doing this, Trump may well have set off a global trade war for no good reason. And if you need a sense of just how stupid this move is, just watch the response from EU President Jean-Claude Juncker, who cannot believe that he is now being forced to engage in this shit.
So now we will also impose import tariffs. This is basically a stupid process, the fact that we have to do this, but we have to do it. We'll now impose tariffs on motorcycles, Harley-Davidson, on blue jeans, Levi's, on bourbon. We can also do stupid. We also have to be this stupid.
Oh, really, Juncker? You think you can be as stupid as us? Please! You just brought a knife to a gunfight, and we just brought a Hot Pocket that we put in our gun holster and forgot was there. Because no one outstupids Donald Trump's US of A. Nobody! Nobody! You